In February 2023, something game-changing happened to the search engine industry. Microsoft presented their brand new Bing search engine, and it is insanely good. They've incorporated AI technology into their platform, and it is going to change the game. Since they announced this, Google's share price has dropped by $100 billion US. That's a lot of money. Today, we're going to explore what these new features are, what you can expect from it, and how this is going to change the game for businesses who are using Google Ads right now, and why you should probably be looking at Bing Ads pretty soon. Microsoft made their presentation in February 2023, and it has been revolutionary, to say the least. One of the key highlights that they made in the presentation was that search hasn't really changed in the last 20 years. If you want to go and find information, you go to Bing or Google or Yahoo, most likely Google, and you type in your query. But to say that search hasn't changed much in 20 years is pretty true. Google dominates the search game, and they currently have over 90% market share on all searches. There are billions of searches every day around the world, and most of those will use Google. Now, Google's job is to index all of the websites of the internet to figure out what content is on those pages and present you with the most relevant information possible. They also place ads at the very top of those searches, and that drives over $100 billion a year in revenue for Google. Now, what Microsoft have done very cleverly is they have incorporated AI technology, and they have started to use this so that they're not only helping you with more relevant searches, but they're helping you create content. They're helping you contextualize your search through a chat function. If you've ever used Google Search and you found yourself super frustrated because you're not finding the content that you need to find, imagine just being able to chat with someone and get relevant answers back in a contextualized manner. Getting that information faster is going to be such a game changer. In addition to being able to create content on the fly, you could use this OpenAI technology to help you in creating content super fast. And it's not just about creating content, it's about the speed that you can get information that is relevant, helpful, and useful to get back to your day-to-day life. The average person makes at least 3 Google searches a day. If you think about how many queries you probably make to the internet that might take you 10 minutes, 15 minutes per query, imagine if you could get that in a second. And if that query was relevant, it was contextualized, and it was helpful, you would save yourself hours of your life over time. It's revolutionary. To use this in real time, you could type in your search, and instead of having to browse through multiple different pages and websites and watch videos, you will get a combination, a contextualized summary of all the information that this AI tool has been able to index in your browser in a precise summary. That, my friends, is a game changer. And this is why Google have issued a code red in terms of this new technology. Microsoft have announced that this is coming to the public in March. It is not that far away. In fact, as of right now, you can go to Bing.com and start using their AI platform in Bing Search. So it's live now. So how are we going to be able to use this as advertisers? Well, this does change a lot of things in digital marketing. The first thing that I think is going to change is that many more people are going to move to Bing. People are now going to use this in the millions. And the reason for that is we saw how fast that ChatGPT was utilized. It was the fastest adopted website in history. It reached 1 million people in record time. Faster than TikTok, faster than Facebook, Instagram, you name it. It was the fastest website to ever get 1 million users. Now think about the fact that ChatGPT for Bing is going to be even more powerful. There's already a waiting list and people joining the queue to get this feature rolled out. So Google might have 90+% of the search engine market right now, but I swear that this might change overnight. It doesn't look like they're quite ready for this revolutionary change that Microsoft has brought to the table. However, I don't think that Google's going anywhere, and I really do think that Google will probably adopt a similar model, just like the new Bing features in Google Search. I guarantee that they will have something that is either the equivalent or better in a record amount of time. The thing is, as business owners, people who are using Google Ads, this will affect you. If you're not already using Microsoft Ads in your business, now's the time to start getting ready. It is quite easy to migrate your Google Ads over to Microsoft and to Bing. And I do believe that Microsoft will continue to have ads that will be contextualized at the top of those searches. Just like I showed you in the example earlier, if people are typing into Microsoft Bing and having a ChatGPT response summarize and contextualize all the answers that they possibly can get, you can still place your ads at the very top of that Bing search. So you really do want to make sure that you are where your audience are spending time. We don't know how fast this is going to change the game. We don't know what the numbers are going to be over these next few months. But the best thing you can do is prepare. You can make sure that your business is already over on Bing and running ads there so that you are covered when people do start using Bing in the next couple of weeks, that you're ahead of the curve, that you are there and you are ready to go. I do think that we're probably going to see 10% move over to Bing over this next couple of months, and it could be far more. We just don't know. The fact is, people are curious about this technology, and we've seen the fastest adoption of AI technology out of any website in recorded history, which means that people are very excited about this technology and that people probably will go to Bing. I know that Bing's always been the laughingstock of the search engine community to a lot of people, and the fact that they have less than 10% market share of search kind of shows that people don't use it. However, things can change overnight, and I think that this is one of those game-changing moments. So what do you think about Bing launching their whole new AI tools into their browser? Are you going to start using Bing instead of Google just to see this AI tool in effect? Are you going to download Microsoft Edge again? I'm really keen to hear what you guys think about this massive revolutionary change and whether you're excited about this or not. The fact of the matter is, this is a huge change, and I, for one, am very excited about where this is going to go and the changes that 2023 are going to see. AI is not going anywhere. This is going to be such a big game changer, and I'm excited that we are getting more and more advanced as a species with cool tools that are going to allow us to save more time, be more productive, and get better access to information. If you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe to us on YouTube and make sure that you check out our podcast as well. Really appreciate you listening to this, as I want to be covering off more information about digital advertising, technology, and a whole bunch more that could affect your business. It's probably a good idea to subscribe if you do run a business to stay in touch and stay on top of all the changes that are coming, because they're coming fast and they're coming frequently. These changes are not going to go away, guys. It's only going to get exponentially more crazy from here on in. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.